Welcome to ArtZone. Today we will be learning to draw a boy and a girl. So let's start. Draw a curved line here. Add 2 ears. Let's draw the hair as shown here. Let's draw eyes, eyebrows, nose and a big smile. Add a small curve and 2 lines here. Connect them and let's start drawing the hands. Let's draw the pant now. Add leg, socks and shoes. I have named them Minty and Monty. Hey, Monty's drawing is ready. Add a curve and 2 ears. Let's draw the hair as shown here. Add eyes, eyebrows, nose and a smile. Add hair. Let's draw the collar now. Add 2 lines for hand and the dress. Draw the skirt as shown here. Add leg, socks and shoes. If you like this drawing, like, share and subscribe this channel. Let's draw her hands. What is the action? She is telling us she has long hair. So let's make long hair. Draw a small ribbon. Add few lines in the skirt. Complete her hairline. And we have completed Minty's drawing. Here are Minty and Monty, a boy and a girl. Don't forget to watch our next video. Color the picture according to your choice. Thank you for watching.